Today, we are going to take our taste buds on an adventure. We will create our own dipping sauce for the roasted vegetables we made. We will write down the recipe and step-by-step directions so our friends can try the recipe too. Before we make the dipping sauce, we will assemble all the vegetables we roasted and maybe some of our favorite snacks on a board like this. To create your own dipping sauce, you can try a variation of your favorite ingredients to come up with delicious recipes. Try yogurt, ketchup, hot sauces, Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, or mustard. The ingredients you use depends on your taste. It can be sweet, salty, sour, bitter, spicy, tangy, earthy, nutty, delicate, pungent, or some other combination of flavors. I'm looking forward to trying out some of your recipes. Have fun!